Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is my mini savings video. And this week I have my normal $50 to play with and two $5 bills and as a savings boost. Going to mix that in there. I have my 6-7 challenges and let's get this saving. And for you guys who are new here, I use real money and these saving challenges to save for my revolving sinking funds. And I just like to do it this way to save little by little for that. And I just put 2 bills down on the saving challenge that the dice is saying. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And at the end of the month, ooh, that goes to 3. Have I been putting this wrong all this time? I don't know. At the end of the month, I just calculate how many completed challenges I did and put it towards that sinking funds. Okay, 6, you're getting all the money. 5, 6, 4, 3, 6, and last 2 bills is 5. And most of these saving challenges come from some creators that I got from Kofi, or I'm part of their Kofi or YouTube membership. And yeah, so that's how I get these minis. And I believe, yes, like this one here, you can find in my Kofi at Gem City Budget. And this is absolutely free. This is part of my Juneteenth minis. So I'm going to make each letter, see what? Each letter $2. So I'm just going to put each letter is $2. And today it got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $12. Do I want to put the whole $12? Because that means it's going to be over already, but I guess I have to. I should just make each one $1. I don't know, but we'll go with it. I'm just going to color these in like this. How much I said I had? I forgot that quick. I think I said 12, right? Yeah. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. Wow, I only need $2 more to finish that, but hey, that is all part of the mini savings. It's a quick little win to get into our mini savings, or not to get into our sinking funds. All right, what we have here. We have this saving challenge created by Party Planner Papery, and this needs 2, 4, $6, saves 30, and it got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8. Yes. So hold on, what I say, 2, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So we are going to go ahead and complete this one. 2, 4, 6. And let's make sure we have $30. We have 5, 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 30. Yes, we do. And gems, pardon my reach, that is a completed challenge. Yes. And as I'm filming this, it's actually Juneteenth. So happy Juneteenth. All right. And we're going to put these $2 to the side. We might just go ahead and complete this one. We shall see. And I just love this that it says freedom. Yes. All right. So this one is created by Budget with Carly, says $50. And each one is $1. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this might be in rotation a little while. And it got $1 already, so that's $7 total. All right, next we have, this is another one of those challenges that's part of that Juneteenth minis. And I'm just gonna make each circle $2. Oh, we got a savings boost. We got $5, $6, $7, $8. So I'm just gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4 for $8. And I'll just leave these blank so you can put $1, 50 cents, 25 cents, whatever you want in each circle. Next we have this saving challenge created by Bookish Mama Budgets. Each book I made $2. And today got 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right. So 2, 4, 6, 8. Perfect. All right. Next we have this challenge created by Budget with Carly. And each butterfly made $2. And today got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Another 8. So 2, 4, 6, and 8. And this one still need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. About $12 more for that one. And so far I got 5, 10, 15, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. $28. And it says 40. All right. So it looked like that $2 can just go to this one. I didn't want to finish this one so quickly, but hey, it's okay. So I'm going to add $2 here. And shade this one in. Perfect. Ooh, it look like the sun is coming out. We had some crazy thunderstorms overnight, and it's a lot of people without power. And it's like, I am so happy I'm not one of them because it's really humid and hot outside at the moment. So let's see what this save us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, $14. Yes, $14. In gems, that is another completed challenge. So I get to bring 2 of them in. Let me go ahead and write $14. Oops, what am I doing? $14. So we will add that. And see, I need 2 more. Let's do this one. And should we do, let's do this one. So I got this one from Bookish Mama Budgets. This was actually sent, she sent this as a just because happy mail. Thank you, Miss Lindsay, for that. So this is like a Christmas in July. And then this one you can find in my Kofi and I believe my Etsy. And this is a nice little cute summer challenge here. It says $28. So we will start those 2 next week. All right. So we completed these 2 challenges today, which is awesome. So Thank you, Gems, once again for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, Gems.